Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build an app with only AI. So did you know that you can now build a fully working app with only AI, no coding required? And in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can create an app using GPT and Lovable AI in just minutes. So normally building apps take weeks of coding, but with Lovable and GPT-5, you just describe your idea in plain English and the AI designs, codes, and deploys it for you like magic. So what you need is a free Lovable account, access to GPT-5 integrations, and your app idea. So you can just open Lovable AI in here. And then you can sign in. So once you sign in, you land on a dashboard where you can start a new project. In the text box in here, you can just describe what you want. For example, here I'm going to write, I want to do this app with a modern design, code, and reminders. Here you can just hit on enter. And after that, GPT-5 and Lovable will generate everything instantly. So here, after it's finished, you'll see your app's layout and also buttons and features. So you can tweak the design, colors, or tags all without touching code. And once you're happy with the app, you can hit on publish or deploy. And in seconds, your app is live with a free link you can share, or you can also connect your custom domain. And that's how to build an app with only AI, GPT-5, and Lovable. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!